Makeup Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the latest base box for Boxy charm. Okay, so this is called the Oasis. I don't know if you can see that there. Okay. They're my reading glasses, obviously. They're not that strong. They just add a little. Alright, the first thing I see here is from KYLIE Skin. And, okay, by Kylie Jenner. I don't have any products from this brand. Pretty packaging. This is the foaming face wash. Oh, the controversial foaming face wash. If you haven't seen some of the videos when this first initially got released, you may want to do a quick search on YouTube or Google. It's very easy to find. It's very interesting how this was being released and how it's being featured by the person named Kylie, who I believe is no longer, she sold her rights over. She no longer is the owner or the head of this brand. So, but they kept the name. Okay. Our luminous foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. The retail price for this is $24. That's not bad considering. I know a lot of people would pay a heck of a lot more just to have her name on their products, so that's pretty good. The next product is the Laura Geller Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio. Ooh, and this is Eye Lip Cheek Palette, Cream to Powder Trio in the shades of nude. I'm going to open it in here so you can see. I'll read the description. It says, the 3-Well Multitasking Cream to Powder Face Palette includes 2 finishes, Demi Matte and Subtle Shimmer. Each shade can be used on various parts of the face, including the lips, eyes, and cheeks, obviously. The silky smooth transformative texture goes on like a cream for easy blending and finishes like a powder for long-lasting color payoff. And the price for this is $24. I'm intrigued to see how it goes on. Shall we see how the swatching goes? Yes, we shall. So let's try this. Oh yeah, it's definitely, okay, it's definitely a cream. Oh yeah, it feels like a chocolate bar in a way. If that, like when you have a chocolate bar and it's melting. That's the colors there. It smells like makeup. It doesn't have an overt sense. That's good. Okay, and the next thing I have here is from TULA Skincare. This is the Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This eye balm stick delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized so you can glow and get it. And the retail price for this one is $28. What? $28 for this bad boy. Oh, you see that? I don't know if that's a pump or what. I don't know. This kind of reminds me of the e.l.f. hydrating stick that they have. This has a slight sense, but I can't place it. Oh, but it does feel really cooling. It has a unusual, I don't know, I can't place the scent. I don't want to say it's like coconut butter or cocoa butter. Maybe that's the scent. This is interesting. I've got something here from Cab Cosmetics. Cab is spelled K-A-B here. This is a lip duo. Ooh. Cab Cosmetics Charming Lip Duo has everything you need to create the glossy lip you've always wanted. Oh, okay. This vanilla scented duo, okay, so you've been warned, is perfect for a night out on the town or a casual everyday look. Use the liner and gloss together or each on their own. The retail price for this duo is $40. Let's see how it looks inside real quick. Oh, okay. So it has this and this. unusually fat container. And it looks like it matches in the color. And I love the fact that it's a liner and this. For those who want a fuller look, or they could use together. If not together, then separately. Let's see how this looks. This is the pencil. That looks nice. It's a universal color, I think. I would be intrigued to see how this looks on deeper tones. Oh wow, that's definitely a doe foot right there. Definitely smells like a vanilla-y cupcake. So again, if you're not in the scents, this may not be for you. The brand apparently does list itself as cruelty-free. See the bunny? Continue to read what it says here. It says, LASHAHOLIC luxury lashes. They're real, I swear. Apparently that's what these are called. 100% silk lashes created on a lightweight, soft cotton band that'll leave your eyes loving you. Made with a light crisscross pattern and tapered ends for a natural glam look. These babies, one set, is $14.99. What I am kind of surprised with is that despite the fact that my profile clearly states that I don't do lashes, I still got a set of lashes anyway. These I will give as a gift to someone who is into lashes. But that's okay. What did you think about your hashtag the Oasis BoxyCharm base box? Do you subscribe to BoxyCharm? Are you a charmer? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Be safe. Bye.